Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Vanguard, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your Vanguard account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab in the main menu. Select Budgeting from the drop-down options available. You'll see various budgeting tools. Choose the one that fits your needs. For a simple budget, click on Create a new budget. Input your monthly income and categorize your expenses. Include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Vanguard's tool may provide suggested percentages for each category. Adjust these percentages based on your personal financial goals. Once your budget is set, review it carefully. Make necessary adjustments before finalizing. After reviewing, save your budget. Consider setting reminders to help you stick to your budget. Monitor your spending regularly through the Vanguard platform. Use the reporting features to track your progress over time. If needed, make refinements to your budget based on your financial situation. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process. Stay proactive and adjust your budget as your financial needs change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.